So, 25 is the year of AI and business are desperate for leads. What if I told you that you could build a profitable agency using AI to generate high quality leads for your clients on autopilot? So, in this video, I will show you exactly how to start, grow, and scale your agency from here to here. Your AI agency actually complete for free. So let's dive in. I'm not gonna say anything bullshit, so I'm gonna go for straight to the point. So hi, I'm Cookies, and I have helped businesses transfer the sales pipeline using AI powered lead generation. Today I'm breaking down the exact roadmap you need to start an AI agency in 2025, whether you're just starting, getting started, or looking to scale. In this video, we'll cover how to pick the right niche, the AI tools you need to cross it, a proven outreach strategy that fills your pipeline with paying clients. So let's get started. So let's dive in actually. So starting with the choosing your niche. Every successful agency start with a laser focused niche. Why I'm calling it laser focused niche, here's why. If you try to target everyone, you target no one. Let's say if you're going for real estate, if you're going for healthcare, if you're on SaaS, you're gonna be broke. You're not gonna target everybody. First, when you're just starting right now, if you're you must be like feel like, what should I focus? Like, should I focus on this, that, or that? I'm gonna focus on everything. Let's see where I can focus. But let me give you an example. If I'm gonna dig a hole continuously, the chance of getting water is high. But if I'm gonna dig the hole of 5 holes, but not consistently, for first try I didn't get the water, second try I didn't get the water, third try I didn't get the water, and I'm just digging the hole again. Don't do that. Just dig the hole, dip down, and then nothing is saturated. Many people think this is saturated, this. No, nothing is saturated, man. You just need to focus on the thing, and you need to master that thing. That's all. Nothing is saturated. So the key is to choose high ticket needs, while leads are extremely valuable. Example include real estate agency, healthcare clinics, SaaS companies. So pick a niche that aligns with your expertise or interest. Actually, I'm gonna say, for instance, if you know the challenges real estate agents face, it's easy to position yourself as the solution. See, if you're starting right now, don't go for agency like real estate, low for SaaS, don't go for agency modules, because you can, if you're an agency, you can help other agency for leads also. But don't go for like sophisticated niche right now. Don't go for e-commerce right now. If you want to go for local niche right now, if you if you go to a near store, or if you can help your local businesses also, go for it. Find your first client from your local businesses. Like, go and search clients in your locals. You need to go out from your home right now and search clients, door to door, and you find your first client very easily. It's gonna help you a lot. Find your first client from door to door visit. This is the best way, I will say. If you're gonna service, you can deliver service to your first client near your home, go for it. You don't need a ton of money to get started. The tools you need, actually, the step 2 tools you need. AI makes everything faster and more repeatable. Here are the tools I recommend. But still, if you want to know more about tools, there is a video in YouTube for completely for free. Go and check it out in my channel only, so you can better know the tools you need to run a profitable agency. So here are some tools I will say: Apollo, or LinkedIn Sales Navigator for finding target prospect, ChatGPT just for AI for crafting personal outbound messages, Zapier to automate workflows, save time. Still, these tools are easy to learn, combine, they help you generate leads quickly and scale. But shall say Go High Level is the best tool you can use right now to automate the process from all perspective of view. There's other software also there like I forgot the name actually. Just give me 5 seconds. I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4. I forget the name actually. The name is called, I think, I forgot the name. You can find in tools, video, AI tools right now. The I think Seek, like one AI software also came, DeepSeek, right? So new AI software came actually in the market. You can use right now DeepSeek to generate leads, like to automate the process, to build an AI agent for your businesses. So go for it if you can. So DeepSeek gonna help you a lot in the automation. If you can just if you can use it properly, you can do it. So client acquisition strategy, I'm gonna add like DeepSeek also here. So let me add it. So wait, just give me a minute. Let it be. Okay, just give me a minute. So let it be that so client acquisition strategy. Let's go to the step 3. This is where most people struggle getting clients, but with AI it's simple. Here's 3-step process you can use. Build a prospect list using LinkedIn, Apollo to find decision makers in your niche. I will still tell you, go find your first client through local businesses, go find your first client on door-to-door services, go out from your home, tell your service that you can just help them work for 15 days free trial or for commission basis at first. Because if you think you can help them but you don't know you can help them or not, just provide them a free trial for maximum 15 days, not for more. If you're just you can use commission basis also. This is the step I will say to use right now to help process, to help client, to help everyone. So just go for it. Just go for it. So build prospectly using LinkedIn, Apollo to find decision maker in your needs, personal outreach, like write term message with AI to show you understand their pain points, because AI can automate the process. Actually, you don't need to do all things alone. You need to master AI. If you master AI, then every work will be easy. Every work can be automated easily and can help you to grow. You can focus more on business rather than just automating the like to do the hard works. And you can say I can hire VAs. Yeah, you can hire VAs also who know more about AI. You can hire VAs also, the people who gonna work for you, who gonna understand AI and ChatGPT and DeepSeek and AI agents and AI voices, AI I will say chatbots. Hire them for your agency. You can automate the process. Like in this video I'm going to explain the thing also. There's a video also for service delivery in YouTube for example for free in my channel only. You can find one. So yeah, so example, let me give you, hi, my name is this, I notice your business challenges, give your business challenges, and I want you to see how my AI system can bring you the specific benefit follow-up sequence. So just give specific benefits. So just go for follow-up sequence, automate 3 to 5 follow-ups. Just let me tell you, follow again and again and again and again and again and again, because follow up till the prospect thinks this is like I want to block it. till do follow till then just do follow-ups, till pause, till you're not getting any replies or and response for. Okay, so tools like Lamlist or Mosaic. Lamlist is the owner. Like you can use this tools also. Okay, and consistency is key. I will say again and again and again and again. Nothing is saturated. You can find clients in any niche. Just go for it. Just go for it. Just go for it. And in future you'll find one. If you want me to create a video on how the best AI lead agency, I'm gonna make it in future, so shut it. You'll be amazed at how many clients you can approach with this method. So just go for it. And so step 4, delivering results with AI. Also, there is a video on YouTube for free in my channel where you can understand about the service delivery part with AI you can use. So still I'm going to give you a brief, because this is a brief thing, so everything I'm just giving for brief actually. And so just let's go for it. Once you sign a client, it's time to deliver results. So here's how you can leverage AI. So use tools. There's a video, so you can watch it right now to understand more, rather than that I'm just gonna say it and everything. You should watch the video right now in YouTube. In my channel there's a video of service delivery and service delivery. You'll find one, just go for it. Just scroll some videos, you can find my service delivery content or video. Okay, so I'm just giving reviews to like HubSpot, Zero, Serum to manage leads efficiently, develop a chatbot on client website for instant lead capture, provide detailed lead insight like engagement data and qualification score to help client close deal faster. So try to implement the beauty of AI. I'm gonna say again, it works 24/7, so your client will see value almost immediately. So that's the thing. That's how AI is helping your businesses to grow and save time, and just helping you to multiply your results. So let's go for scaling your agency. After securing a client, it's time to scale. Here's how: automate referral tasks using AI. Try to automate the process. Hire virtual assistant VAs or freelancers to manage client communication. Hire a manager actually who can do all the things. Hire CEO who can do help up your business, and offer additional service like lead nurturing or sales funnel optimizing. Charge extra money for that services. Focus on retaining clients by delivering consistent results, and your agency will grow organically. You don't need to run ads. Okay, so this is all. Starting an AI lead generation agency in R5 is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. The market is growing, and businesses are hungry for solution actually. If you're ready to take the leap, subscribe to my channel for more freedom, and don't forget to watch the next video where I show exact find out subscriber. Let's build our agency together. Still not only I'm gonna show you the exact plan how to subscribe, but in the next video I'm gonna show you the niche, the best niche you can find. You can just start, or if you are like figuring, like if you want to figure out what's the best niche you can deliver results, I'm going to show you in the next video. So that's all I want to say. And want to implement AI to your system, contact me on alexpelsolution.de. It's my email. If you want me to implement AI system to your business to help you grow and save time, just let me know. Or you can just DM me in Instagram, X, or LinkedIn. It's called Twitter actually. I just used to tell like it's X, but it's Twitter. So yeah, that's all I want to say, the complete process. And yeah, so yes, I want to say everything, and have a great day, happy holiday, and I'm watching you for I'm rooting for you. Watch my videos to get a framework, get a system for your business so you can implement in your business. I'm giving everything for free, so just check it my YouTube channel, check out my process system for free. I'm just giving it for free, so just check it out. I'm not charging any money, so go for it and have a nice day. Peace.